I am transferring the heavy bag from the load beam, which is tight, low, and near a supporting post, to somewhere with enough height and space where I can really, box with movement. Measuring the thickness of the joist and the span for all the wood materials I need to cut. I'm reusing this 4x4 oak stair post that I replaced when I improved our stairs. This is hardwood, so I'm gonna use this to attach the hook with the right screw. I'm marking the center of this 4x4 oak wood where I will attach the hook. We have to reroute this. Has to be somewhere here. I'm marking the diagonal to fit into the brace. Now it's cut to the angle I want. I'll put some brace reusing a wood floor actually, so I can hold the 4x4 with two hands and screw it in to the joist. This is just to align the wood I'm gonna put. So here's what I did so far. I put a damping foam just to keep it steady, and I don't know if it's gonna serve purpose, but I think it will, some kind of shock absorption. So this is first step. Well, I have all this already, and I'm gonna put a brace here on the side, and then I already have this, so the swaying of the bag going side to side should be supported by anything that's of this one. So it's right now it looks solid. This is 4x4 from the post of the baluster that I replaced, and I nailed it with 3 1/4 nail, and then I'm gonna put a brace 45 or sorry diagonal to the top of the other ceiling where you see that wire. You'll see, I'll take a picture. So this is first step. One foot. 11 3/4. So I'm gonna use 11 3/4. 6 of this. I'll check this first. I'm operating without lights because I'm finishing this. Let's see. Perfect. One here and one on the other side. Here and the other side. And then here, of course. I need to cut 6 of this. Okay, got the good clamp. Okay. Oh shit. So here's one side. 3 of them, 11 3/4 in length vertically. This will transpose the load from the side, from this side to the top, because it's like pulling it from the top, which is, it's kind of pushing it from the very top instead of pulling it from the bottom here in this web. So this is supported by this 45-degree brace and by the horizontal wood that is pegged to the top or nailed to the top. So I'm done with the other side. A pair of each, and then so this is how it looks from the bottom. And that's 4x4 is where I'm gonna put the punching bag hook. The next support would be in here. I realize it's only supported with this top one, so I'm gonna put a 3/4 wood here, and then support it with another 2x4 on this side and on the top one. So and then we'll see if we need to put the brace. I already have this one on this side, and the other one I don't have it. I only have this. Yeah, because there's the gas pipe. So this is how it looks. I already hung myself, try to see if it can carry my weight, and it did. But the swaying is what I'm concerned about. We'll see. So I found this scrap. I'm gonna put this on the side, and this will add support. So this is what I cut to put it here. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put 2x4 here to support on this one. I already marked this wood, so I will use a screwdriver. I don't wanna nail it because I might loosen it up. So I'm gonna put 2x4 on top and at the bottom and screw it on that panel that is supporting this, so somehow contributing to the top load transfer instead of just pulling from the bottom. So here's what I did. As you can see, the 2x4 screwed to add support. I put support to stop the, or at least prevent the swing. When it swings, when the bag swings, it's controlling it and it's pegged to the other one. Oops. There. So there's a vertical support support transferring the load from the bottom to the top, and for the lateral side, transferring the swinging movement, if any, to the top, not to this other side. I have this anyway. I put this some time ago, so I have to do the other side, almost similar to that. Here's the other side to counter the swaying on both sides, right and left. As you can see, it can pretty much carry the 245-pound heavy bag. I put some tough rubber protection. Now I have the ceiling covered it. By the way, it took me 3 screws and it broke because this one, that wood here that I use, the 4x4, is tough. It's hard. It's a hardwood oak. Oh my goodness, I have to use 2 hands. So I use 2 hands to put this, so I have to put down the video. Now that I was able to put that in, it's easy if it's 2 hands. Now let's put this heavy bag. This is actually, I already know what it is, but still weighed it. 245 pounds. So that's what I'm using to put up the heavy bag. I don't want to do it like carrying all the time. So 250 pounds. Okay, now we don't need that.